name is Aditya. I am from Maharashtra and I am currently working as a software developer in a startup. But I wanted to switch my career as a DevOps engineer because of in a DevOps is a bright future and there are so many tools to learn new things. So I wanted to join as a DevOps engineer. Overall training is was grateful. All trainers, mentors is helpful and clarify my doubts in a simple way and to understand with a simple example. And the course was really planned and well structured. Career service is also helpful for me. They provide me knowledge within a second and they clarify my all doubts. Now I am joining a grateful company in my area with good package.
Check out the DevOps course by industry-leading experts. Register now on the Star Agile website. Check out the link in the description.